Hey guys, what's up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, CrystalMichelle. And today I want to show you guys how I achieve this Bantu Knot Out Updo. And so first, what I'm starting on is hair that has been washed and stretched out. I'm using the Curls hairline to complete this look. They have amazing new products that I want to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and really get into it. So first, I'm sectioning off my hair, and I'm about to do 3 different techniques on this one head. And I'm just going to mist my hair very damp. You don't want it like saturating wet, but just a little damp. And we're going to add the hair silk, which is this great detangling leave-in moisturizer conditioner. Like, it does an amazing job in just making my hair feel so supple and soft. And I really like to focus on my ends because it's really dry during the winter time. Now I'm following up with the Bluberry Bliss Twist Cream. Oh my gosh. First of all, the Twist and Shout Cream is just amazing. It gives great definition, good hold, but it's crunchless, it's soft, and my hair comes out really bouncy and springy. And what I'm doing at my nape, and only at my nape, I'm going to be flat twisting my hair. So the front of my hair I want to be really, really tight, but the rest of my hair from the mid to my nape I want stretched out because it makes it a lot easier to pile on top, if that makes sense. So we're going to flat twist and then begin to twist our hair all the way to our ends. And what I love about this silk leave-in conditioner is that it really goes all the way to the ends. It detangles, it smooths your hair out, at least it's nice and moisturized. It has a little bit of shine. And then I'm just doing a little Bantu knot at the end, and I'm just showing you that quick technique. And it just allows all of our hair to pretty much look really unison, if that makes sense. You're going to see it all tied together at the end. So once again, at my nape, I'm just flat twisting. You don't have to be super precise, but it's good to do individual sections. It makes it a lot easier taking it down and avoiding frizz. Then from there, I'm just going to twist my hair all the way to the ends, activate that curl, and then do a little Bantu knot, wrap around the finger, and you're all set. I have a more detailed version of how you do the Bantu knot at the ends. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down below in the description box. So now for our midsection, I'm going to pretty much put the front where my bangs are going to be. I'm going to put that up. We're just going to do individual twists. There's no need to flat twist. You can if you want to, but I'm just going to do a bunch of chunky twists. I have different textures all over my hair, so certain ones need to be more stretched out than others. I'm going to add that hair silk in again, which I just love. And all these products smell really, really good, especially the Bluberry Bliss line. Like, it just smells so yummy. Gonna twist all the way to the end. Look how I can easily detangle my hair, and it has a little bit of slip. Activate that curl, and then once again, we're just gonna Bantu knot at the end. This is really, really easy, guys. It took me maybe 15 minutes to like do my whole head, and then you just want to make sure you let it sit. So even though you kind of missed your hair to reactivate your curls, do not make it saturated. Otherwise, you're going to be waiting a while for your hair to set. That is my #1 recommendation. And don't forget to add that Twist and Shout Bluberry Bliss cream for definition and hold. All right, now we're at the front section of our hair. I'm going to really, like I say, focus at the ends, and also try not to be heavy-handed because you want your Bantu knot outs to be really springy and bouncy, okay? So I'm being very, very light-handed with the products, and the front of my hair, as you guys can see, has a really loose curl pattern, so I don't need a lot. Now for my Bantu knots, I begin to pretty much twirl my hair, and then I like to do my Bantu knots by twirling it underneath. That's my key to making my Bantu knots really work out. And then I just keep twisting my hair around my fingers and then twirling it underneath itself. So pretty much by the time you get to the ends are tucked all the way at the bottom of your Bantu knot. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys again. So twist, and then you just keep twisting it underneath. Twirl it around your finger, and then it goes underneath. Doesn't have to be super tight. You don't want to be in a lot of pain, but just, you know, snug enough that it's going to sit and stay overnight. And my hair was dry in the morning, but I did let this style sit for 2 days because I really, really wanted to make sure it was all set. So we have some flat twists, some chunky twists, and some Bantu knot outs. I know it looks pretty crazy, but it's going to come together in the morning. I promise. So now I'm taking it down, and as you guys can see, that's why we leave the tip out just a little bit, because it just makes it easy to just pop our Bantu knot out. And you also can add perm mods at the end. You can do whatever you want, but this is just my easy cheat version, if you will. And once we're done popping them all out, I'm going to use the Curls Hair Serum, which I really love. It gives a nice shine. It helps to give a little bit of slip. It helps to avoid any frizz. It's almost like using an oil in its place, and it really softens my hair and make it feel so soft and shiny. And so I just add a lot to my hand as I'm taking my Bantu knot out and as I'm going to untwist my hair. And this part you can be a little heavy-handed with. It doesn't build up or make your hair feel weighed down. So if you have finer hair, you might really enjoy this serum. And all I do is dig underneath. I get the end of that Bantu knot out and then I just unravel. Look how springy and bouncy they are. So don't forget to be light-handed and twist underneath. That's my key. I've had plenty of Bantu knot out fails. And now I'm just going to go ahead and untwist my hair all over before we begin to add our scarf to complete our style. Okay, now that we're done, I'm going to pile my hair up into a loose like puff. Add some of the Bantu knot outs in there for some additional texture if you want to. Doesn't have to be super tight. You can use a cuff, whatever you have on hand. And then I'm going to add the Curls pomade. I love this hair growth pomade from the Cashmere and Caviar line. It's, to me, even a little bit stronger than the Bluberry Bliss one, but it has like a similar like scent to me, which I absolutely love. And it just really gives me a nice slick hold. So I'm adding it to my sides and my nape if you really want a nice slick style. I definitely recommend this for ladies with a tighter curl pattern. And now we're going to go ahead and add my scarf. So I'm just showing you guys, I got this random silk scarf from the beauty supply store. I'm just going to fold it in half one time, and then I'm going to tie it right at the top of my head. And I like it to cover my ears. I really bring it forward so that way it doesn't slip off later on, because that's embarrassing. So I'm only going to tie it twice and make sure it really stays put. And then all I'm going to do is tuck in the ends. Pretty simple. I'm not trying to make this look super complicated, even though it looks like I did a whole lot. I really didn't have to do much. And then once we do that, I'm just going to fluff my hair out to cover the pony so you don't see it. And then for us ladies who don't have a lot of volume or a lot of curls, it looks like it's just spilling over naturally. But the little puff rubber band underneath just gives you some extra volume. So fix your bangs any way you need to. Separate them some more, fluff them out, and this is our final look. Comment down, guys, below what you think of the look. What's your favorite curls product? Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram page, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.